Welcome to Telebots, your gateway to rewards, real money, and endless possibilities. Spell Wallet Airdrop. Get rewards and earn real money by completing challenges and leveling up. Re- Receive regular airdrops, mana tokens, and exclusive badges as you complete challenges and level up. Click the link in the description, then press Launch to start the app. Choose Home, press Boost, and activate the auto-claim feature for 24 hours. Don't forget to enable the booster every 5 hours to earn 3 times rewards. In the top left, you'll find the level section. Tap it to join a clan and connect your TON wallet for even more features and rewards. Discover exciting tasks in the Quest section to earn more mana tokens. Need help with the daily puzzle? Join our Telegram channel for the answers. In the Wallet section, you can create an in-app wallet to send and receive tokens securely and easily. Unleash your creativity in the NFT section. Create your own NFTs and sell them in the Spell Wallet market. Invite your friends in the Friends section. Earn more mana tokens for every friend who joins and participates. Join the Telebots community today. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow our Telegram channel to discover more Telegram earning bots. Start earning, leveling up, and enjoying the ultimate reward experience.